So by using two dates, we need to get the difference. For example, sometimes you may get doubt as well. In the column level, you will create one formula and you will get the difference from one to date. But dates are 99% defined as a characteristics. So when you are using characteristics, we cannot get uh, directly use in the calculation level. That is the reason we are converting characteristic as a number by using replacement path. Then we are getting the difference between two dates. Some example like no the material from date and last date. I mean manufacturing start date and manufacturing sixth month date, expired date. So they want to get the difference. So based on that, the material movements will happen. So whatever it is going to expire, then they are selling immediately to the customers. Okay. So in that case, like no, how we will design two formula variables, we will see in the system level. First, we need to load the data into DSO. In the data DSO level, we should have from and to date. Then we will get the difference between two dates in the report level. So meanwhile, I will open Bex Query as well. Where we created formula variable we created. Not sure. Okay. Let me try this. Yeah, this is the DSO. We will create DSO. We'll create based on this Bex query. Go to here and create Bex query. Create new query for our purpose. Okay, now drag and drop. Here we need to save formula variable. So generally, see, we have a created arm. This is calendar days from date example. If you want to change, then I can remove this. I can change it. Okay, this is from date. And if you want to change this to date. Yeah, now we have from month to date. So I can't get difference between these two directly because these two are characteristics. Okay, so now I will go and create formula. So within the formula, so I will define as a number of difference 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 days difference days count like this. So now see here we need to create the formula variable. Okay, now create. So this is the new variable. Double click on it. Right click on, you can go edit mode. Now what is this? I'll select from date. This is from date. And this is by default formula variable, and this is processing type. I'm selecting replacement path. So reference date you need to take. What is this? Create data. Calendar day. Where is the calendar day? This is the from date. And go to replacement path. So don't do any changes and go to currencies and select the date. This is the difference. Here. Okay. Just to go here. So from that came. Now I will create one more variable. Right click and go to edit mode. Now I'll select to date. Created on. Created on is so for from to date also. And replacement path. Select same from date and go to replace. Just select here on the date. So now here, so now to date minus from date. So always you need to get higher one. Check and save. You can see it, and now if you want to, you can keep it last also, as your wish. Here, I'll make this as a surprise. Go back and execute it. Now we are getting difference. How much difference coming? See here. See, this is one date. Okay. 1 and 4. Minus 3 days, right? This is from on top. So we made reverse. Okay. We made reverse. That is the way we are getting see. But getting the exact count only. So 8 to 10, 2 days. This 11, 15, 4 days. 12 section, 4 days. 15, 18 days. See? 15, 19 days. So now we are getting difference between 2 days. So if you want exact, then you can go and do it. See, now we will get right. Okay, like this you will get the difference between 2 dates. So for this we have used a formula variable with the replacement path. So we have from date, from date, for from date created one formula variable. One formula variable with the replacement path. Replacement path. And to date also selected. So another formula variable with the replacement path. Replacement path, that is processing type. Okay. So in this way, we'll get the difference between 2 days. See, identities. So if we don't keep like no to date and from date here, see here I will keep here and then I will execute and I will keep it like a document number. Will I get the difference between two dates? We'll see. See, remember this point, okay? When you are using two dates, then we need to use, otherwise, no, we'll get X. Like this, we'll get X. System will not understand. Hmm? So now we'll get the difference. Same, I didn't do anything, right? Just remove from one to date from the rows. So when we are using those two in the Bex query, then we'll get the difference between two dates. Okay. What is this? For results, we are getting XX. So then go and keep it display as a suppress. So when I keep suppress, what is happening? Result rows, it is going to suppress. Wherever we can see yellow color result, that will not show up again. See, like this will get clear. Okay, thank you.